What if I gave you $1,000 today and asked you to turn it into long-term wealth? Most people would probably freeze. We're going to break down exactly how to start building that wealth, $1,000 at a time. The challenge is clear. How do you transform a starting sum of $1,000 into a foundation for long-term financial security? Some leave it in a bank account, some chase risky stocks hoping for a quick win, and others wait for the perfect time to invest. Don't fall into these traps. Here's the truth. The perfect time almost never feels perfect. The best time to start is now, with a smart, diversified plan. First, I'd put $600 into the S&P 500. This is the bedrock of long-term investing. Why the S&P 500? You instantly own pieces of hundreds of America's biggest businesses, like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia. These companies have survived recessions and continued growing. This gives you long-term exposure with less risk than betting everything on one single stock. Next, I'd take $200 and put it into dividend-focused investments. This is how you generate passive income. Dividends pay you simply for holding the assets. Even when the market moves slowly, your money keeps working quietly in the background. When those dividend payments are reinvested, compounding begins to take over. Your money starts earning money, and then that money earns even more, accelerating your wealth. Now for a smart calculated risk. $100 goes into growth. This is where I'd target areas like artificial intelligence, tech innovation, and other future-focused companies with massive long-term potential. Yes, there's more volatility here, but that's exactly why we keep it as a smaller, controlled portion of the overall portfolio. The final $100, I'd keep that in cash. This is not out of fear, but for strategic flexibility. Opportunity always shows up. Markets drop, headlines create panic, and strong businesses sometimes become available at better prices. Having cash ready gives you the flexibility to buy those strong businesses when everyone else is selling. Investing $1,000 once is a strong start, but here's where it truly gets interesting: the snowball effect. Imagine adding just $100 every month after that. Over the years, that consistency is where wealth really starts to snowball. Wealth isn't built overnight or by chasing hype. It's built quietly through patience, consistency, and letting time do the heavy lifting. So if you had $1,000 today, where would you invest it?